Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to take your car cleaning game to the next level, then you're in the right place. Today, I've got something truly special to share with you, the car wheel rim ceramic coating kit. This kit is a game changer when it comes to keeping your car looking fresh and clean. Let's talk about the benefits of this amazing kit. The car wheel rim ceramic coating kit offers a high brightness, high hardness protection, and long-lasting protection for your car's wheel rims. Not to mention, it's also anti-scratch, anti-rust, and anti-black iron powder. What more could you ask for? But wait, there's more. This kit is also hydrophobic and oleophobic, meaning it repels water and oil, making it easier to keep your wheel rims looking pristine. And the best part? It's self-cleaning, so you won't have to spend hours scrubbing and polishing your wheel rims anymore. The kit includes everything you need to get started: car wheel rim ceramic coating A and B, a mixing bottle, a measuring cup, a suede cloth, and of course, instructions to guide you through the process. It's super easy to use and the results are truly remarkable. Now, I know what you're thinking: does it actually work? Well, let me tell you, I've tried it myself and the difference is night and day. The coating not only protects the wheel rims but also gives them a sleek, glossy finish that just looks incredible. So, if you're ready to take your car cleaning to the next level and keep your wheel rims looking showroom fresh, then I highly recommend you check out the car wheel rim ceramic coating kit. You can find the link in the description below. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car care tips and reviews.